Hello guys, and welcome to another unboxing model review here on James Bonnet Photography and Models. This time around we have got an Oxford Diecast model, product code 76SCA04HB, and this is in AWJenkinson livery. And I bought this from Nottinghamshire's only model shop that's left now, Sherwood Models. Go check them out, they're in Daybrook. So, what have we got? It's basically the silver Horsebox alley, but in Jenkinson livery. It is a fantastic little model. Of course, Jenkinsons have horses as well, and of course, with them having a small share in the Stobart group side of Stobart, then it sort of fits into my collection. So let me take this out of the box. What? The cardboard sleeve and plastic lid. So here we are, we're presented with this fantastic plain gloss white model with shiny alloy wheels, probably to give a chrome effect. There's green dots in the centre of the wheels, which adds a lot of character there. It's an Oakley Supremacy, if the camera's picking that up. There we are. A little bit of fiddling around, here we'll get it. So on to the side of the cab, www.awjjenkinson.co.uk, a Jenkinson logo and 3 trees logo there as well, with also the little version of it there on the side that they normally have. On the front just says Forest Products W Jenkinson with their V logo over to the top of the cab, like all theirs do. A signature. It's a registration plate 400 AWJ. This is probably a special edition truck, like Ali was. Superb detail. But as I say, it's the same casting as the silver Horsebox in Stobart livery that Oxford do. Of course, they're not going to make special ones of each, are they? AWJenkinson Forest Products, and the website again, but this time it's on the green, and the registration plate there again. So of course it's a brilliant model, as always by Oxford Diecast. The casting is superb. Of course, it is of the old Scania cab units, and this one actually does say Scania on the front, whereas the Stobart version did say Oakley, because this one says Oakley on the side. I've never actually seen Jenkinson Horsebox other than googling them, but I have been told this is a real truck on the road. I've just noticed that tyre is actually coming off, which I'll sort out in a second when the camera's finished rolling. But that's the unboxing of the AWJenkinson Horsebox. I'll see you next time here on the channel with either another spot video, unboxing video, or an event. See you later guys, bye.